How to use ClaimFlights Flight Delay Compensation Calculator. Flight delayed or cancelled. In such a case, the EU 261 rule grants certain rights to compensation. But how exactly is the amount of compensation calculated? The Flight Compensation Calculator is a powerful tool that helps you determine if you qualify for compensation and provides an estimated amount of compensation. To check if you are eligible for compensation, you need to simply input your flight information into the online Flight Compensation Calculator. In this video, we will guide you on how to use the ClaimFlights Flight Delay or Cancellation Compensation Calculator. All you need to do is log on to claimflights.com to access the Flight Compensation Checker tool. Then simply follow these steps. First, you need to enter your flight number. Choose your flight date and proceed further. If you do not remember your flight details, you can provide your departure and arrival airport, and choose your flight. Select the problem you faced, like if your flight was delayed, cancelled, rerouted, denied boarding, etc. Suppose your flight was delayed by 4 hours 1 minute, update it manually if needed. Usually, the tool auto-detects and updates the arrival time. Select the reason behind the flight disruption. Or tell us in detail why your flight was delayed or cancelled. Unfortunately, for acts of God or exceptional circumstances, there's no compensation. This is the amount of compensation that you are estimated to be entitled to, based on the information you have provided. This confirms whether you are eligible to claim compensation for your flight. For a hassle-free claim, you can continue providing your contact details and upload relevant documents. You can add other passengers too, booked on the same ticket. Then proceed to assign your claim to ClaimFlights. Digitally sign the form to enforce your rights with ClaimFlights, which can act on your behalf to fight for your rights. With ClaimFlights, claiming compensation for your flight delays and cancellations is fast and straightforward in 10 clicks away. Simply enter your flight details, the reason for the delay, and the calculator will help passengers determine the amount they can claim for their delayed flight. Start today and reclaim your right to a hassle-free flight. Follow ClaimFlights for more videos related to flight delay compensation.